In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert simple images into AutoCAD lines using an online converter. Start by selecting a clear image and saving it to your computer. Visit an image to DXF conversion website and upload the image file. Choose DXF as the output format and begin the conversion process. Once the conversion is complete, download the DXF file and save it to an easy-to-find location. Open AutoCAD and load the DXF file to view the converted line work. The image will now be represented as editable vector lines that can be modified using standard AutoCAD tools. For the best results, use high-contrast images with simple shapes and clean outlines. After importing, review the geometry and remove any unnecessary lines created during the conversion process. You can also use commands such as join, trim, and overkill to further clean up the imported drawing. This workflow can significantly reduce the time required to recreate logos, sketches, and simple plans in AutoCAD. Thanks for watching, and happy drafting in AutoCAD.